Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Remember that one video that I did on Amazon's cheapest kit of RAM? You know, the 5600 cl40 kit here? It's at 1.1 volts, by the way. So I've been working on the overclock for it. I gotta say, it's actually not half bad for overclocking. I thought it was terrible at first. I did a little bit more deep diving into it, and it's actually not half bad. So the chips that are used in this are Micron. They're Micron. And Micron's not the greatest for overclocking, but for low voltage, not half bad. So I ran an OCCT test here. 1 hour test here. As you can see, no errors detected. 2,238 cycles. Done. Perfect. Everything was great. Love it. Now, I overclocked it, right? What did I overclock it to? Well, here we go. We got hardware info here. So I overclocked this 5600 cl40 kit to 6000 cl40 at 1.1 volts. Insane. Absolutely insane. I am so happy with the performance on this. I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it hit 6000 cl40 with a bit better timings too at only 1.1 volts. Again, here we go. We can see right here, VDD node A, 1.1 volts. Same thing on the other one, VDD node A, 1.1 volts. VDQ 1.1 as well. But 1.1 volts, CL40 at 6000. Now, what we'll do is look at some benchmarks. So these benchmarks I also did. So we got Y Cruncher here. Y Cruncher did 24.247 seconds. Quite happy with that. It's not terrible. It's only 6,000 megatransfers per second, but it worked really good. 24.247 seconds. And this is only on 8 performance cores. Only 8 performance cores, not all 24 cores. 8 performance cores. 7-zip, we did 110,479 MIPS. Again, it's not perfect. It's not, the fastest in the world, but this is also Amazon's cheapest kit of RAM. You can find this kit of RAM for about $80 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check out this kit of RAM. Again, it's only Micron, but this Micron actually isn't half bad. Comparable to these Corsair Vengeance that I have, these are 5200 CL40 at 1.25 volts. The best I can get this kit of RAM to is 5600 CL40 at 1.3 volts. So 6000 CL40 at 1.1 volts, you can't beat it. You literally cannot beat that. That is absolutely insane. We'll check out OCCT here. So the maximum temperature, if we go over the hardware monitor here, the maximum temperature we're seeing on the first one, which is the farthest away from the CPU, is 36.3 degrees Celsius. That's all it's the highest temperature it hit on that one. The one closest to the CPU hit 36.8 degrees Celsius. Absolutely amazing. So happy with the temperature. And I do believe these will be 24-hour stable. I will do a 24-hour OCC test and see if they are 24-hour stable. But for a 1-hour test, more than happy with the performance. Again, this is at 5.6 gigahertz all core on 8 performance cores. And yeah, these scores are not half bad at all. I'll also run a PY Prime here. So I'll run a PY Prime here and see how good it is. Not terrible. Not the greatest, of course, but not terrible. So about 11.873 seconds. Not half bad for PY Prime either. Not bad at all. What about... let's see. Super Pi. We'll do a Super Pi. Calculate just 1M. 6 seconds. 6.01 seconds. So not half bad again. Again, it's not the fastest. No, it's not the fastest. But this is the cheapest kit of RAM. cl40 kit, 5600 megatransfers per second, up to 6000 cl40 at only 1.1 volts. I'm happy. I am seriously happy. Comment down below if you have this kit of RAM or a Micron kit of RAM like this, and I'll even show you the timings. So again, we'll just get hardware info here. Hardware info here for you. If you would like to try out these timings, if you have this kit of RAM, again, I'll have it down in the link description there. You can check out these timings. So CL40, 44, 44, 80. And the kit before was CL46, 46, 46, 90. I did lower the primary timings a little bit, and still 1.1 volts just fine. And check out these timings here. Try to put these timings in. Make sure you follow this here and see if it's stable for you. It is perfectly stable for me. I'm quite happy with the performance too for a very cheap kit of RAM. That's going to be it for this video. Again, thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, and donators. You guys are helping out this channel greatly. If you'd like to see other kind of content like this, leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you have not checked out the Discord channel, check out the Discord channel link in the description below. Also check out the Patreon page. I am updating it weekly, or at least every other day now. So trying to keep up with everything that I can. If you want to join the channel, join the channel. If you'd like to help out this channel via PayPal, I also take PayPal donations to help out this channel. Again, thank you all for watching, and as always, don't forget to get her done.